Ready to unlock incredible savings on your next Joyabuy haul? Let's dive straight into how to master the art of using Joyabuy coupons. First, head over to Joyabuy and start browsing for your desired items. The key to finding coupons is to be proactive. Search online for Joyabuy coupons before you even begin shopping. You'll find numerous coupon websites and even browser extensions designed to automatically find deals. Explore a few reputable sites, but be cautious of potentially expired or misleading offers. Once you've located a valid coupon code, carefully copy it. Make sure you select the entire code to avoid any errors during the application process. Now, proceed to your shopping cart on Joyabuy. Locate the Enter Coupon Code or Promo Code field. It's usually found on the order summary page. Paste the coupon code into the designated field. Double-check for any extra spaces or typos that could prevent the code from working. Click Apply or Submit. If the coupon is valid, you'll instantly see the discount reflected in your order total. Congratulations, you've just saved money. Always remember to read the fine print, pay attention to expiration dates, minimum purchase requirements, and any product exclusions that may apply to the coupon. Now you are ready to save money. Happy shopping and enjoy those sweet Joyabuy discounts.